Hi, my name is Stephen Burnett. I'm an applications engineer for Hanna Instruments. Today we're going to be going over the HI701 handheld colorimeter. The 701 is our free chlorine handheld colorimeter, and it's part of our checker series, which are designed to be low-cost, high-reliability instruments. What comes with the package is that you get the meter, battery, 6 chlorine DPD reagents, 2 cuvettes, a quick reference guide, and the manual, as well as a hardcover shell. On the bottom of the checker you'll find a screw. This accesses the battery compartment, and this is where you're going to install the battery that comes with the meter. After removing the cover, you're going to insert the battery, making sure that the positive terminal is up, and then just reapply the case cover. With your battery installed, press the button to turn on the meter. This will initially result in all the digits lighting up and a C1 appearing on the screen. The cuvette comes with an indexing system built in. There's actually a dash and a break between the lines. So you can use that to index your cuvette, making sure that you can get accurate results without having to worry about path length variables with Beer-Lambert. So now we're going to fill up the cuvettes at the sink. The first step that we're going to take in our measurement is to actually zero out the meter. So we're going to first turn it on. Now we're going to clean off the cuvette, index it within the meter itself, and close the lid. Just pressing the button once will actually begin the process of zeroing the meter. And as you can see, now it says C2. Now, having opened the meter, we remove our cuvette and add in our DPD reagent. We're going to, because we just added that, one of the most interesting features of the checker is that we actually have a timer which you access by pressing and holding the button for 3 seconds. This timer begins a countdown for the reaction with our free chlorine. You're going to want to mix your sample by inverting the cuvette rather than shaking it to prevent air bubbles from distorting your measurement value. And again, you're going to wipe the cuvette down, insert it into the meter, and close the lid before the meter hits 0. When the checker hits 0, it automatically begins the process of reading. So you have to make sure that the measurement is in there. Now it's going to take the measurement. You see the 3 dashed lines, and we get a free chlorine value of 1.93. If you have any questions about this product or any of our other products, please feel free to contact your local Hanna office or visit